In your school, you would have read that the antibodies are Y-shaped structure. Yes. Now, this Y-shaped structure are made up of two different types of chain, a heavy chain and a light chain. And all these are made of polypeptides. These heavy chains are interconnected and with the light chains and with themselves by disulfide bonds. Okay. So when you say heavy chains, there are 5 different types of heavy chains. Okay. They are alpha, gamma, delta, epsilon and mu. Alpha A, gamma G, delta D, epsilon E, mu M. These are the different immunoglobulins and they are denoted like IgA, IgG, IgD, IgE and IgM. Okay, these are the 5 different types of antibodies that we have in our body. Now, each of these heavy chains have 2 regions. One is a constant region and another is a variable region. Similarly, the light chains also are made up of 2 types. One is kappa and the second is lambda. All antibodies have one of the 2 kinds of light chains. The light chains have 2 successive domains. One is a constant domain and one is a variable domain. And approximate length of this light chain is about 211 to 217 amino acids. Okay. Now, the sites, what is this heavy chain and what is this light chain? What is the constant chain and what is the variable region? The constant region which is present of the heavy chain is present in the stem and half of the diverted Y-shaped. Okay. And the topmost one half of the Y, the branch of the Y, is made up of the variable region. Similarly, in the light chain, the bottom half is made up of constant region and the top half is variable region. This constant region does not change. The amino acids in this remain constant. But where the variable region is concerned, they keep changing based on the antigen that comes. Okay, so whatever are the antigenic determinants amino acid, your variable region will change accordingly, because of which they are very, very specific. Okay, as I told you, there are 5 different types of immunoglobulins. So let us read about each of these immunoglobulins. And the most common immunoglobulin is IgG. Okay, and they make up of approximately 80% of all the antibodies that we have. And they are measured in the terms of half-lives, and their half-life is about 7 to 23 days, which is actually pretty long. Okay, IgG is a monomer, that means it is made up of a single Y-chain structure. And it has 2 of those binding types, one on each bifurcations. And this is the only type of antibody that can cross from the mother to child through the placenta. Okay, all the other antibodies does not pass through. So the baby gets, after its birth, the first protection that it gets from outside world is through the mother's developed IgG. And if you remember, we had talked about natural acquired immunity, and this is one of it. Okay, natural passive acquired immunity is IgG, which is transferred from the mother to child, and the protection of the initial stages of infection in the first few months of life is because of this particular antibody.